You can't read minds, but sometimes feelings show on the outside. That's garu. Garu means show signs of or seems to want for adjectives. Use the stem garu for the adjectives at garu. It describes someone else's outward feelings or desires. 正直がとても残念がっていました。George looked really disappointed. 子供がおもちゃを欲しがっています。The child seems to want the toy. You can